Thank you for taking the time to hear my school improvement plan. Your thought may be, why do we need improvement? Well, as you know, our school has seen major growth in the last 5 years, almost doubling in size. As our numbers continue to increase, there is a need for change. Not only has the number of students we teach increased, but we've added new team members to our staff. We need a change that will bring our staff together. We need to create awareness of the impact our instruction has on our students' learning. If we begin providing visible learning in our classrooms, what effect will it have on our students' success? Unfortunately, I have concerns that key elements are not being addressed. We need more planning, collaboration, communication, and feedback. So, which areas need the most improvement? I'd like to focus on planning. Number 11 on John Hattie's checklist for visible learning is teachers talk with each other about the impact of their teaching based on evidence of student progress and about how to maximize the impact with all students. Teachers communicating during the planning process can be powerful when teachers discuss performance and progression. Since we do not currently have team planning in our building, little to no communication is shared between our teachers in regard to instruction and the impact it has on our students. Another area to focus on improvement is feedback. Number 33 on the visible learning checklist is teachers are aware and aim to provide feedback relative to the 3 important feedback questions. Feedback between teacher to teacher is lacking during collaboration. Also, I do not see enough feedback at the teacher-student level. We need to be asking our coworkers, ourselves, and our students, where am I going? How am I going there? And where to next? My plan to improve these areas include creating planning teams that meet every week to share and discuss data and students' progress. Through this collaboration, teachers can set goals for instructional improvement. Team planning will also increase communication and relationship building between our staff members. In classrooms, goals should be posted and made visible for teachers and students. Students need to be aware of goals and start taking ownership in their learning by setting their own challenging goals. This will move students toward higher order thinking and can lead to the adaptation on the rigor and relevance scale. Students will begin creating and evaluating their work from teacher-provided feedback. This inspires students to set their next challenging goal. Our students are waiting. What are we waiting for? I ask that you consider adding team planning to increase communication and collaboration in our building. Visible classroom goals so that students can be in control of their learning. And increased feedback to our teachers, to our students. Thank you.